हरिः नमः सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य भाषा प्रवेश प्रथमभागस्य पञ्चचत्वारिंशत्तमी कक्षार्थं भवतां सर्वेषां स्वागतम्. Okay, the next topic is on Varam. I think you might have heard this multiple times, but we'll study it formally. So Varam, it means the times or number of times is generally specified for doing any activity. For that, in that case, you can actually use Varam. Like a boy studies, one time he studies, 2 times he actually goes to the shop or something, a number of times we specify that, right? So that time we can actually use Varam. So let us see some examples for this. First one is Balakaha ekavaram dhyanam karoti. So boy does the meditation one time. So ekavaram, it is one time. So basically we'll say Varam is the time, and Eka or Dvi or whatever number of times he does it, you probably can prefix that particular number. And the next example is Mata Dvivaram Pujam Karoti. So mother does the worship 2 times. Okay, Dvivaram, it becomes 2 times. And similarly, Pita Trivaram Vatikam Gacchati. He goes to the garden 3 times. So father goes to the garden 3 times. Again, Trivaram is 3 times. And Bhagini Chaturvaram Chayam Pibati. Sister drinks the tea 4 times. And so if you see this one, this is something similar to our numbers in Chatvarimshat series. If you see Eka Chatvarimshat, Dvi Chatvarimshat, Tri Chatvarimshat, Chatushchatvarimshat, the same way we can actually use the numbers. From Pancha onwards, the number will not change. It's like always Pancha. So it becomes Ramaha Panchavaram Devam Namaskaroti. So Rama worships the God 5 times. Ramaha Panchavaram Devam Namaskaroti. And Sita Shadvaram Abhyasam Karoti. So Sita does the practice 6 times. Okay, so that's the way it will become like Ekavaram, Divivaram, Trivaram, Chaturvaram, Panchavaram, Shatvaram. And sometimes we may not even include numbers, we just say many times. He does a particular activity for many times, or he does that something repeatedly many times. So in those cases, we will use some different forms of Varam, like Chatraha Sutrani Varam Varam Patati. So he reads the sutras again and again. So again here Varam is multiple times. It becomes again and again, regularly he studies. So Chatraha Sutrani Varam Varam Patati. So he reads the sutrams regularly again and again. And again one more example is Chatra Bahuvaram Likhati. The female student writes multiple times or many times. Okay, that's the meaning here. Again, Chatra Bahuvaram Likhati. So hope this is clear. So it's a very simple one. So with that, we'll go for short Q&A, and if possible, can you please attempt some examples? Maybe you can try framing your own sentences, and we'll with Varam. Like maybe you can say, what do you do how many times? Maybe every day, what do you do how many times? You can specify that with Varam.
The Varam is that answer. Aham Varam Devi Pujam Karomi. I do the Devi Puja many times or regularly.
More than regularly, it is repeatedly. That's what it means actually. Again and again. That's the appropriate meaning, I feel. Yeah.
Dhanyawad.
Aham Shodasa Varam Japam Karomi. I do 15 times Japa.
Uttamam.
Hariom. Can we say in this Bhajagovindam, it becomes Manasivi Chintaya Varam Varam?
Yeah, again, here it means again and again or repeatedly. That's the meaning.
Repeatedly, yeah.
Yeah, Manasi Vichintaya Varam Varam. So, thinking on that in the mind again and again.
Yeah.
That's what
it says.
It's consistently, you can say, take it at that.
Yeah.
You say Agam Drivaram Samskritam Patami.
Meaning?
I am for learning what we have to say, because this is reading.
Yeah, no, patami is
It's okay.
for even, or you can say Sanskritasya adhyanam karomi.
Two times I am learning Sanskrit.
Yeah. Aham Sanskritasya adhyasam or adhyanam divyaram karomi.
Mata Dvivaram Mandiram Gachati.
Uttamam.
Mother goes to temple three times. And
Okay,
for the Ravivaram,
she
all
goes,
those things will not be
yeah.
in a week like that. No? Actually, Mata goes to the temple thrice a week like that. No? We have to. Mata Dvivaram Mandiram Gachati. That's enough.
Divyaram is 2 times, right? Thrice is 3 varam.
So
Trivaram mandiram.
that is understood.
If you want to, yeah, if you want to say monthly, you have to say mase 3 varam mandiram gacchati.
मम पुत्रः द्विवारं स्नानं करोति. My son takes bath twice.
भक्ताः वारं वारम् ईश्वरं स्मरन्ति.
Uttamam.
Devotees स्मरन्ति, they
Remember
remember
God.
remember God again and again.
Yeah, Uttamam.
Repeated. Aham dvivaram vyayam karomi. Exercise.
Yeah, vyayamam karomi.
Vyayamam karomi.
Hari Om Mahodaya. Can we say Bhavati Kativaram Pratinam Slokan Vadati? Then I can say Aham Prata Sayam Cha Divaram Slokan Vadami.
Yeah, you can say that. Yes, it's right.
Ekadashi Dine Ekavaram Bhojanam Karomi. Can I say instead of Dine, Titi, if you use Titi, I should use Tityama, Saptami Vibhati of Titi. What is?
Either it's a tithi is a feminine form. You can use it's like a mati. Either tithyam or tithau.
Tityam. So Ekadashi Tityam Ekavaram Bhojanam Karomi. Dhanyavadalu.
ह्यः आरभ्य नवरात्रि भवति. How to say that? ह्यः
But where is the varam? No. Arabha is a different topic. But can you give example for varam?
नवरात्रि दिने अहं द्विवारं पूजां करोमि देवीं. नवरात्रि दिने देवीं द्विवारं पूजां करोमि.
No, devim pujam karomi is not correct actually. Devyaha pujam karomi. Devim pujayami.
Devim pujayami. Okay. नवरात्रि दिने
devim pujayami or devyaha pujam karomi. Yes.
द्विवारं देव्याः पूजां करोमि.
Okay, next topic is again a very short topic like varam. So this is on arabhya. So arabhya is again another avyayam which gives the meaning of starting from. Okay, it is something similar to taha, so that's why it is given as part of the after the Panchami lesson. So arabhya means starting from something, and generally it is used for the specifying the timing or anything starting from, but generally used to specify the timing where it starts from. So let's see some examples and understand that better. So adya arabhya Sanskritam patami. So starting from today, so adya arabhya, starting from today, Sanskritam patami. I read or I study Sanskritam. And shvaha arabhya sama yoga abhyasam karishyami. Starting from tomorrow, I will do the practice of yoga. And the next example is yaha arabhya vidyalayasya viramaha bhavati or asti. Starting from yesterday, there is a holiday or there is a vacation in the school. Okay, and these are the examples, and you can also say that like a panchadasha dinankat arabhya parikshaah bhavanti. You can even say that way also. So starting from panchadasha 15th day, the exams will start, or exams will be there. So basically arabhya you can use wherever you get meaning of starting from. And generally if you want to use other than avyayams, because if you see adya, shwaha, yaha, parashwaha, parayaha and all, they're all avyayams, and we will not have any vibhakti forms. But in case if you use any non-avyayams like panchadasha dinanka, you may generally will be using panchami form. So panchadasha dinankat arabhya Sanskritam pathami. So that way, I think we have seen that in the earlier lessons, but just a recap here. So with that, we'll move on to some short exercise on this, and if there are any questions, we can clarify and we'll move on.
Same question. यः आरभ्यः नवरात्रि महोत्सवः भवति.
उत्तमम्.
Is it right?
आरभ्य, from yesterday. Yeah, that is correct.
यः आरभ्य नवरात्रि महोत्सवः भवति.
अद्य आरभ्य अहं शुक्रवारदीपपूजां करोमि.
उत्तमम्. So शुक्रवासर पूजा.
शुक्रवासर पूजा. From Friday onwards, I will do the puja.
No, from Friday onwards, that means शुक्रवासरात् आरभ्य पूजा करोमि.
Actually, the Adya Arabhya exact translation, you please tell me.
No, Adya Arabhya means starting from today.
Starting from today, Prati Sukravara, like that. Okay.
Okay, I can say that. Then that it will become a little different. Okay. Adya Arabhya Prati Shukravasaram. You can say remaining sentence like Pujam Karishyami.
No, in here it is not necessary to add Prati.
Either you can say Prati Shukravasaram, or you can also say Shukravasareshu Adya Arabhya Shukravasareshu Pujam Karishyami Karomi. That should be fine.
Adya, Shwaha, Hyaha, they are all Arveya, and something you said like for days you have to use Dina.
No, if the word has the Panchami form, use the Panchami form. If it is not having Panchami forms like Avyayams, you can just use Avyayam forms. For Adya, Shwaha and all, there is no Panchami form.
So, it is Adya today.
Adya is just Avyayam. Yeah.
So there is no Taha. But if it is Panchavimshati Tama, Dinankataha, it will come like that. 25th day.
Yeah, Dinankataha Arabhya, you can say that way. Yeah.
So, Dinankataha Arabhya. Okay. Clear, Mahayana. Okay. Dhanyavadaha. I will tell my sentence now. Adya Arabhyatah aham Sanskritam likitum. What is it? Practice karomi. Like
Abhyasam karomi.
Adyanam karomi.
Abhyasam karomi. That's the practice. I do practice.
Abhyasam. So likitum abhyasam is right, or just Sanskritam abhyasam karomi?
Lekhana abhyasam or Sanskrita abhyasam karomi.
Lekhana abhyasam karomi. Adya arabhya Sanskrita lekhana abhyasam karomi. Lekhanam abhyasam karomi.
See, remember, whenever you make sentences using some particular word, if you make longer sentence, the focus on that particular word will be lost. So here the focus is Adya Arabhya or Arabhya. Okay, the moment you make longer sentences, we spend more time in correcting the mistakes in other parts of the sentence, and we lose the essence of the actual word we are.
Adya Arabhya abhyasam karomi.
Abhyasam karomi.
बुधवासरात् आरभ्य नवरात्रि उत्सवं भवति. शुद्धं वा?
उत्सवः भवति. आम्, सम्यक्.
नवरात्रि उत्सवः भवति.
आम्.
I have make some sentences. I don't know whether it is correct. I am yaha arambhya navadinam or navadinaya. I don't know. That is Chaturthi. Navadinam navaratri pujam pujayitum ichchami or pujitavati.
No, what is the sentence
Aham
you would like to
yaha.
say in English?
I started Navaratri puja from yesterday onwards for 9 days.
Yeah, yaha arabhya navaratri pujam arabdhavati aham. That's it.
Sorry, can you please repeat? Navaratri puja?
Arabdhavati. You started yesterday, right? Yaha arabhya navaratri pujam arabdhavati.
Arabdhavati. धन्यवाद.
No, चेत् आरम्भं कृतवती.
Arambham Kridavati. But Ichchami, suppose if I want to use the word Ichchami, how to say that? I wanted to.
It will come like a tuman form, but okay, arambham kartum ishtavati. That's the way you should say.
Arambham kartum ishtavati.
That means you didn't do, but you wanted to do. Yeah, that's what it means.
अद्य सायंकाले 5:00 आरभ्य संस्कृतगोष्ठी भवति.
उत्तमम्. हरिः ओम्.
श्वः आरभ्य अहं वाटिकायां गमिष्यति. Means starting from tomorrow I will go to garden.
No, the meaning you said was I'll go in the garden.
Okay, sir.
So Vatikayam is Saptami form. So it should be Vatikam Gamishyami.
Vatikam Gamishyami. Okay, sir.
Not Vatikayam. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
अद्य आरभ्य अहं संस्कृतेन सम्भाषणं कर्तुं प्रयत्नं करोमि.
उत्तमम्. So generally श्वः आरभ्य परीक्षा भविष्यति. Instead of that, श्वः आरभ्य परीक्षाः भविष्यन्ति is the right one, because not just one exam will be there. Multiple exams will be there starting from tomorrow. So that makes more appropriate, but it's still no issue with the grammatical. There is no issue with that sentence. So let us move further. You might get forum exercise on the same. Write 3 sets of sentences for each using varam and arabhya. So for varam 3 sentences, and for arabhya you can use 3 sentences. So this would be the abhyasa on this one. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you all for watching this video online. If there are any questions, or if you want to interact with the teachers or students, please log into forum.sanskrit.today, or you can even join our Telegram group. The link of the Telegram group is given in the course page. You can find the course page link in the below description. And subscribe to this channel Sanskrit.Today to watch more videos like this, and share this video with your friends and interested people or group. Make use of the comment section below if you have any feedback or suggestions about this session or the series. And please click on the like button of this video. Let us meet in the next session. Dhanyawadaha.